myself to hold my hand.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laifa, and in this video I'm going to be doing this Nicki Minaj inspired hair video for you. So if you want to see how I achieved this Nicki Minaj inspired hair look, then please keep on watching. So the hair we're going to be working with today is from Megalook hair. These are all the things that came with the hair. This purse came with the hair, and in it there are clips, a toothbrush, clip, another clip, and a scarf. Then it also came with a stocking cap, a wig cap, and lashes. So this is the hair straight out of the packaging. So it's a 613 hair in 18 inches. So I'm sure by now you can already tell that I'm not the one that's going to be coloring this hair. My friend Dinessa Effect is going to be coloring this hair. So right now she's just showing you the hair. It came with 4 combs and an elastic band. I tell you, this thing was snug on my head. So the first thing she did was use shimmer lights to tone the hair, to get rid of that color, that yellowish color that usually comes with 613 hairs. So she just put the the purple shampoo in water, then put the hair into the mixture and just let it sit for a little while. The longer you leave the hair in the purple shampoo mixture, the lighter it gets. Like if you're not going for a platinum look, then don't leave it in the mixture for too long. So she didn't leave it for too long. So this is what it looked like after she had done the purple shampoo mix. And for dye, she's going to be using Adore semi-permanent dye in cotton candy. So I think I'm going to leave a picture or a little video clip right here of the hair look that we are going for, so you can see what it looks like. So I'm just going to let you guys watch and see how she used that cotton candy dye to apply on different sections of the hair. So she did the whole roots of the hair. Watch how carefully she's doing it to avoid staining the lace on the hair. So she put it on the roots and then on strategic parts of the hair. She didn't put it everywhere, so that we're going to have a mixture of blonde and pink. So I'm just going to let you guys watch and see how she achieved this color, and I'll be right back.
I was falling through the air. No one but myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of what we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 We've been in 2 places all at once. Was that what we said would come undone? Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight on dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing.
So this is what it looked like by the time she was done. So you can see the pink is on the roots and certain sections of the hair. And yeah, this is the hair when she has washed it out, conditioned it. So it's time to get to work now. So the first thing she did was tweeze the frontal to pluck it to give it a natural hairline.
Let's set the tone, a bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows, a couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving not for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink so I don't get it. I must be high, but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk, I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving not for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like it's getting kind of personal. I know my inhibitions, I just let them go. Stole my heart just like a criminal. I think it's time you let me know if you wanna. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like
This is what the hair is looking like after she was done plucking. I just love how Nessa plucks her hairline. She doesn't overly do it. So right now she's blow drying the hair. This is what the hair looked like by the time she was done blow drying it. So I wanted the side parts. So right now she's parting it before she started curling the hair. So right now, Nessa is curling the hair. I'm just going to let you guys watch to see how she curled the hair. And yeah, this is the finished look. She just proceeded to put hairspray on the hair, and I already installed the hair in another video which I'm going to link up here. And also my makeup was done by another amazing makeup artist. I'm also going to leave that video up here so you could go watch. Like I said, the hair is from Megalook. All the details are going to be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight